All right. What you think, Heath?
Good.
Looking good, huh? So good old boy's got the injectors going in now. The big boy injectors are going in. These are the 238cc single shot. Really excited to get these bad boys in. So we'll see what happens after it gets done. We got the KC turbo, we got everything else going. The injectors are the final piece of this puzzle, and from everything I've been reading, they're good for another 200 horsepower over the stock ones. So that's massive. That's gonna break some stuff, or at least make us fast.
Burn them pizza cutters up.
Yeah, exactly. We're gonna burn these tires way up. So we'll see how that goes. Stay tuned. I just loaded in the maps to the Hydra. So hopefully startup is a breeze. I'm sure there's gonna be a little bit of adjustment that needs to be done. Guys at 1023 told me to load these maps up and give them a whirl, but you can see the injectors in now. Those are tasty. Big boys. Good old boy, coming strong. Get ready. Oh man, just drove the good old boy, and it's wet out. I found one little piece of dry pavement to just touch the gas. It just jumps to 35 pounds of boost. Black smoke everywhere. This freaking thing rips. So I think I'm ready.
That's where you will normally see at 15 feet.
You know what, dude?
What does 2015 vision mean?
Now, I gotta tell you
Talking
something.
to the faith. Go ahead.
Thank you to Unlimited Diesel Performance and 1023. I'm never going to lose to you again. Never.
Sean did say you were gonna beat me.
You see that?
Yeah.
The truck is bonkers.
Is it?
It's bonkers.
It's fast.
It's fast. I want to race like your Roadster or
No,
something.
Okay,
Yeah.
don't go crazy.
Dude, I'm telling you, the truck is badass.
It can't be that.
It's sick. I'm telling you, dude. I think it picked up 200 horsepower.
200.
200.
What do you think it's making right now?
Over 5.
That's pretty crazy.
Probably like 1,200 foot-pounds of
How much
torque.
does that thing weigh?
I don't know, 7,000 pounds?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's sick.
It rages.
It made this like cloud of black soot that stayed there for like 5 minutes. Like,
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was like
Also-
watching it.
Yeah,
like,
I was next to a Camaro.
So you're a brother now.
Dude,
You're like a big brother.
I don't know what, I'm a
Dude, have you
good,
ever had cloudy eyes?
yeah, a couple times.
Every time I blink, it gets worse.
Oh, that's not good.
You need someone to call.
I think I have cataracts.
At least you said something, you said it right.
I didn't. He had to correct me earlier.
What did you say earlier?
Carter.
That's what I would expect you to say.
Added R's in places.
That's what I would have
No R's.
expected him
I'm
to
so
say.
stressed. I'm hitting one of these, dude.
Oh no, don't not.
Needs
God,
an ambulance.
you need to stop. Get off that. You can blow that smoke, and I'm gonna blow black smoke all over you the next time.
I think inhaling black smoke is worse than inhaling this.
Well, I'm not gonna be inhaling it. You will, because you're gonna be behind me.
Not in the Roadster.
I don't know, man.
We're skipping the
This
truck
thing-
battle.
this
We're
thing-
skipping that.
That thing is so bonkers. It's awesome. It's absolutely awesome. Shout out 1023 Diesel, Unlimited Diesel Performance. If you guys want injectors for your truck, you need to get some from these guys because they hooked me up.
Or if you want a sick koozie.
The koozie's not bad. All right, so we're in the truck. We've got the injectors on. Carla's taking over the video camera, and it's raining. It's been raining for 2 days straight. I haven't had a chance to try these injectors out yet, so I've decided to just go ahead and try it in four-wheel drive, because why the hell not? We'll see what happens. So these are the 238 80% bigger injectors from Unlimited Diesel Performance, and I'm excited to see what this feels like. So I'm just gonna roll up. I have it in four-wheel drive right now. It's raining, but I'm just gonna see how this feels. So, you ready? I'm just gonna lay it and see what it does. Whoa! that was 65 miles an hour right there. Whoa! All right. That was me rolling into it.
Right.
So I really didn't want to. I didn't want to try my luck with like a full-on launch. So that was not a boosted launch, but man, did that power come in strong, real strong. That felt pretty good. I can't do a 0 to 60 test because it's just not fair. But I might try one just to do it, just to see what it does even in the rain in 4-wheel drive. Because that felt spectacular. Oh my God, I wish you could see that cloud that was behind me when I first took off too. That was big. But anyway, wow. Huge, massive improvement in acceleration. I mean, this truck feels fast. It doesn't feel like a truck at all. It feels, it's faster than my Golf. Like it's fast.
No, that acceleration is crazy.
That felt
that's
really,
like
really
yeah.
good. I mean, this has, I don't know. I'm not going to make speculations, but I am going to do some more testing, so stay tuned. I'm just waiting for this weather to break. It's just been raining 2 days straight, but that's the first time I was able to actually lay into it, see what it felt like, and I am incredibly impressed. Incredibly impressed. Instant boost. The spool up is instant now with this KC300X turbo. These injectors completely transform this truck. You can't run this though without having the hydro. So you need the tune. You got to have that as well. The whole package together just works. We got the fuel system upgraded. We've got the transmission upgraded. We've got everything where it needs to be to handle this. I hope handle this power for a long time. I don't know. I'm so impressed. I can't wait to do some more testing. We'll see what it does. But for now, wow, just wow. All right, so we're back out here. It's raining still, obviously, but I need to see what kind of acceleration data we can get, even in the rain. I'm gonna just soft launch it. I'm not gonna do a boosted launch. I'm just gonna do a soft launch in 4-wheel drive, just to see what the 0 to 60 looks like. We'll be able to at least extrapolate some acceleration data from after we launch, just to see if there's you know, huge changes, which I am positive there are. So I've got the V-Box loaded up. We're just kind of cruising here to a good spot where we can stop and do it, and we'll see what that ends up with. All right, we got a little straight section here. Let's go ahead and try it. All right, I'm just gonna hit start here, and I'm just gonna floor it and go. Forgot to put it in 4-wheel drive, of course. All right, try again. So reset, start, 4-wheel drive. Okay, here we go. We're in 4-wheel drive. Start. And let's see. Wow. How about that? So no boosted launch there. That was just on the pedal, 6.1. So that's as fast as it was with a boosted launch before. And as I've proven before, a boosted launch on this truck is good for about a second. So that's gonna be a deep 5-second 0 to 60. Very impressive. Try just a little bit of boost, just a little bit. I just want to see a 5-second 0 to 60. It's like, it's in my head now. So we'll do a little boosted launch. Let's see what happens. Okay, coming to a stop. Reset. Start it. Okay, here we go. aggressive boosted launch. I just barely got some boost going there just to see what it would do. 5.6 0 to 60. So it's official, guys. This is a 5-second 0 to 60 truck all day. I think with a proper boosted launch, it's in the 4s. Crazy. Crazy. So we are cooking. Another 0 to 60, a little bit of boost on that one, 5.2. So we are starting to see low 5s. I'm confident that this thing will do a 4-second 0 to 60. Insane.